What to do if you're having issues installing your sleep sensor. First, make sure your mobile device is compatible. You can visit the Help Center if you're not sure. If everything is good, we can continue. The problem might be that your mobile phone cannot detect the sleep sensor, or maybe the installation failed. First, make sure you wait for the app to say it has recognized it. If your phone isn't recognizing the device, turn off the phone and turn it back on. Unplug the sensor and plug it back in. Wait 60 seconds and retry the installation again. If that does not solve the problem, try uninstalling and reinstalling the application. Don't worry, you won't lose any data that has previously gone into the app. Now, if the sleep sensor is recognized by your phone but you can't install it, check that Wi-Fi is enabled on your phone. Be sure to leave the app open and the screen on during installation. If you receive an error message during installation, it can help you fix the problem. Go to our Help Center to find a solution. We hope this fixes your issue, but if you still need help, please contact our support team at health.nokia.com/support.